Meaning of earnings.
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 Earnings. Earnings refer to the profits or income generated by a person, company or organization through regular business activities. It is the money that is earned from selling products, providing services, or investments. Earnings can be measured on a gross or net basis, with gross earnings referring to the total income before taxes and deductions are taken out, while net earnings are the income left after all expenses have been deducted. Companies often report their earnings publicly to shareholders and investors to provide insight into their financial performance, which can influence investment decisions and stock prices.